Hello guys. So part 3, integration by substitution. Using substitution we make the expression which we integrate easier. So we are taking the questions in substitution series. So first question is under root of 1 plus x over 1 minus x. So first we will rationalize it. So we will multiply with under root 1 plus x, and this becomes whole square, or you can say without root हो जाएगा ये, and this is under root 1 minus x square. Now we separate this under root 1 minus x square plus x over under root 1 minus x square. Now we get under root of 1 minus x square plus integration of x over under root 1 minus x square. So this is the standard function. We can write its result, that is sine inverse x, plus in case of second we will substitute 1 minus x square as t square, because this is an under root, so we will consider it as t square. That's why under root will be easily resolved. Now on differentiation we get minus 2x dx, and this is 2t dt. 2 will be cancelled out, so it is x dx equals to minus t dt. So we substitute this value and this in this expression, so it becomes t square. Under root of t square is t, and the x dx is minus t dt. Now t will be cancelled out and you have minus dt only, and the integration of dt is t. So this part is sine inverse x and this part is t. And what is t? T is under root of 1 minus x square. So we put this value in place of t, that is under root 1 minus x square. So answer is sine inverse x minus under root of 1 minus x square. So this is the answer. So next question, integrate x plus 1 multiplied with x plus log x whole square divided by x. Now this is not a standard function, so we can't write its integration directly. That's why we substitute some portion, like we have x plus log x, so we consider it as t. On differentiation we get x as 1 and log x as 1 over x, and this is dx and dt. So it becomes x plus 1 over x dx is dt. So in a given question we have x plus log x whole square, and this is x plus 1 over x dx. So we substitute these two values, this one and this one. So it is just like t, it becomes t square, and the value of this portion according to this is dt. Right now we can use x to the power n dx formula. So we get x n plus 1 over n plus 1. It means we get the result of this t cube over 3 plus c, and on putting this value once again we get x plus log x whole cube divided by 3 plus c. So this is the answer. Next question, integration of e to the power cos square x sin 2x dx. And as we know, in terms of exponential expression, so it should be e raised to power x or e raised to power t. but this is e to the power trigonometric function square. So this is the extra part, we will consider it as t. So let cos square x is t. So on differentiation we get 2 cos x, and the differentiation of cos x is sin x dx, and it is dt. Now it becomes minus sin 2x dx is dt, or you can say sin 2x dx is minus dt. So we have the value of this sin 2x dx, and this cos square x, the power of exponential, is t. Now it becomes e to the power t, and this becomes minus dt. So you can see easily by substitution we can mold, or we can change this type of integration question in very easy standard functions. So right now you have a standard formula, e raised to power x integration, we get e to the power x. So right now we get e raised to power t plus c. So it is minus e to the power cos square x plus c. This is your answer. Very easy. Now next question. Integrate 1 over e to the power x plus e raised to a minus x dx. So we convert this, we simplify this expression. It is e to the power x plus 1 over e to the power x. Now this becomes, on taking LCM, e to the power x over e raised to a 2x plus 1. So this is e to the power x expression. So let e to the power x as t. Now on differentiation we get e to the power x dx is dt. We put this value in this expression. So it is t, and this is t square plus 1, and in case of dx we can put dt over e to the power x, or you can say it is t square plus 1, and this is dt over t, because the e to the power x has value t. So this will be cancelled out. Right now we have, so it is very simple expression. It is a standard expression, that is tan inverse t. So this is the answer. So next question, we have integration of cot x into log of sin x dx. So let log of sin x as t. Now when we differentiated this, we get 1 over sin x, and the differentiation of sin x is cos x. So it becomes cot x dx equals to dt. Now we substitute these values in a given question. So cot x dx and log sin x. So log sin x into cot x dx. So we put this value as t and cot x dx as dt. Right now this is the power formula. X to the power n dx is x to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. So it becomes t square by 2 plus c, and t is log sin x. So it is log of sin x whole square by 2. So it is a log expression, so the power comes in multiplication twice of log sin x, and it is 2. On cancelling this 2 we get log sin x plus c. So this is the answer. So integrate x into tan inverse x square over 1 plus x to the power 4. So let tan inverse x square as t. So on differentiation we get the differentiation of tan inverse x square will be 1 over 1 plus x to the power 4, and the integration of differentiation of x square is 2x dx, and it is dt. So on differentiation we get 2x over 1 plus x to the power 4 dx is dt. Now we will arrange this. We have tan inverse x square and x over 1 plus x to the power 4 dx. So according to this we have x over 1 plus x to the power 4 dx is half of dt. So we can substitute this value here, and this value is, so on substituting this value we get t and half dt. So the integration of t with respect to t, that is t square by 2, that it becomes t square by 4 plus c, it means that is tan inverse x square whole square by 4 plus c. So this is the answer. Sin 2x divided by a square plus b square sin square x dx. Now we assume a square plus b square sin 2x as t. So the differentiation of this is a square, that becomes 0, and b square 2 sin x cos x dx equals to dt. Means so we can collect the value of sin 2x dx, and we put this value here. So denominator as t, this becomes 1 over t, and this value sin 2x and dx is 1 over b square dt. So we have 1 over b square, and there is 1 over t dt. That is the integration of log t. So we get 1 over t dt is log t. So it is 1 over b square and log of a square plus b square sin square x. So this is the answer. So the next question is integrate sin 2x divided by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x. Right now we substitute this denominator as t. So a square sin square x, b square cos square x as t. On differentiation of these expression we get a square, and the differentiation of this is 2 sin x cos x, and it is b square, and the differentiation of cos square x is 2 cos x into minus sin x dx and dt. So it is sin 2x and this is minus sin 2x. On taking common as sin 2x we have a square minus b square dx and dt. So sin 2x dx equals to 1 over a square minus b square dt. So we collect this value and we substitute this value. So in a given question we put these values, denominator as t, so we have 1 over t, and the sin 2x dx is this value, so it is 1 over a square minus b square dt. It means 1 over a square minus b square, and this is 1 over t dt, and this is the integration log t. So we have a square minus b square, and this is log of t. It means the result will be a square minus b square and log of a square sin square x plus b square cos square x plus c. Now next question is integrate 1 over x into cos square of 1 plus log x dx. So in this question, for making it as a standard expression, we consider 1 plus log x as t. We substitute this. So on differentiation we get 1 is 0 and log x is 1 over x. So we have 1 over x dx as dt. So we put these two values in this given expression. That becomes 1 over cos square t, and this is 1 over x dx. So it is cos square t, and this is dt, and 1 over cos square is sec square t, and this becomes tan t. The integration of this is tan t plus c. So it becomes tan of 1 plus log x plus c. So this is the answer.